Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we are doing BoxyCharm. Unfortunately, they decided to tape over the BoxyCharm logo on me. Just so you know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. It is $21 American. It is with $5 to ship to Canada. So it comes about to $26, but $34 Canadian with the exchange rate right now. I got it fairly early. I have to admit, I just got it today. I know a few people got theirs on Friday, which is pretty awesome. So I'm kind of excited to get it this early. I mean, Look Fantastic was here early. This is here early, and my Ipsy has already been sent out. Apparently, my Topbox is somewhere, but it's not showing up in my mailbox. So yeah, I don't know what about that. And my fall FunFitFab hasn't shipped yet, so I'm, here or there, miss or hit. But I do want to say that if you watch my Look Fantastic unboxing, I had a broken palette in it, and I'm happy to say that I just was able to kind of like text them and let them know that it was broken, and they're sending me out a new one, so hopefully that will come soon. I'll be able to kind of give the last color a full tryout. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into this box. I am so excited about all the different variants except for the fake eyelashes. But it did come with the pure Barbie, I think, mask. So I'm kind of hoping that's what's in this, kind of. Not really. I'm kind of up in the air about what I want. So this month is called Totally. I believe I'm getting variation 2, as you can see. Let's get into this. So you can actually see everything in this box this time. So usually they do like to send full-size palettes, but of course that's not what I got. Today I got 2 Ace Boots eyeshadow in Cotton Candy and Ice Latte. So let's see here. These retail for $25. I'm not sure if that's like each, but I'm gonna assume that it's for both. So, ooh, that's just crazy. Like, that's like, oh, oh, ooh, that is just one little swipe. That's like my hand barely in there. So apparently these are supposed to be comparative to Shock Tops from ColourPop. Obviously I've never had them before. So this is the Cotton Candy. Yeah. So these were actually both, oh wow. That is gorgeous. I'm actually really excited to use those now. Yeah, so the next item I do see, now that is a variant. Now everyone will get one of these. This is Becca's Hydra Mist Set and Refresh. I know there was 2 different colors, so I'm not sure which one I did get. So this Weightless Powder Sets and Refresh Makeup. For a silky smooth visible finish, formulate with 50% water and glycerin. This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. So I'm definitely excited to use that. This is supposed to retail at $39, so right there, that's what, $64 just for these 3 items. So that's pretty awesome. To keep me close to keep me cool. Okay, that's pretty neat. So I am definitely excited to use this. Oh, so it looks like it's a fairly light. Let's see here. Sorry about my singing. Ooh. I'm just gonna open my mirror. I should actually put that down before I can drop it, right? Because knowing my look, that's what would happen. So, oh, Okay. Oh, I really like that. That is super cool. It feels like it's like water being put on your face, like you just... there's a lot that came up while traveling. Poor box. Okay. Oh, wow. I will definitely be using this. That feels like somebody has stuck my brush. It's been a long day. Can I say that already? I know it's not late in the day. It feels like somebody stuck my brush like in a sink of cold water. And you can definitely feel the coolness on it. Oh. That is definitely cool. I am excited to use that. I think I will actually even keep that out so that I can be remember to use it. Wow, that is super cool. Okay, sorry guys, I had to like put it all over. See how it holds up my makeup today. Well, I'll likely leave it on all day today because sometimes I do these videos and I kind of pop it on and then I go wash my face and I go to bed. But today I've had it on for a little bit, so we'll see if that wears my makeup well. So the next item I do see is Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates, absorbs into skin, and revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what type of skin you have. This lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps restore the skin moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. This spill-proof dropper allows you to use one drop at a time. So it retails for $42, so that puts my box at $100, and I still have a few items to go. I believe 2 more items. Oh, is it wrong to say this, but I love the fact that the oil is pink. How cool is that? Oh, that is so nice. So I do have generally oily skin, but lately I've been finding it drying. There's no scent to it. Oh, and I love the way it makes my hands feel. Okay, so that's definitely something I will use. Okay, so the next item I see is Steve Laurent's lip liner. So this retails for $15. I got it in the color good question. I do not see it on here. Let's see if I can open this up. I do not have a whole lot of lip liner, so I'm kind of interested to see what color this is. It does look an awful brown. Not an awful brown, but just an awfully brown for me. So let's see here. Oh, it's in the color Chic. Yeah, I'm not sure that'll be my color. Why do I always get the really browns? Okay, anyway, so the next item I have, so I believe the lip liner, there was 3 different colors that you could have got. So then the next item I see is Tarte Big Eyes, or Big Ego, sorry, Big Ego, it's not Big Eyes. So I'm super excited to use this. So with that, that comes to, what did I say this was? 42 plus 39 is 81 plus this, so that makes 106 plus 15 is 121 plus the Tarte mascara is $23. So really, so I said 106 plus 15 is 121, so 144. Wow, roughly, yeah, give or take. So I am definitely going to be moving this up on my list of things to use. I love the fact that, again, it's pink. Apparently this is a super pink box. So I think, except for the lip liner. So, I mean, 4 to 5 isn't bad, and technically it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including I will use both shades of the eye palette. So I'm super excited about this month. It's not like, it's not super huge. It's not how do I want to say, like, the boxes fit really small, so it's not super wasteful. Almost everything in there is something I'll use. I might try the lip liner and, you know, add a really pink lip to it to see if that will help set it aside. It's mostly makeup. I would say it's almost all makeup, you know, makeup related, so that's pretty awesome, just for the people out there that don't like the whole lot of skincare. Now, I do know that if you sign up today and you use my link below, we'll both get some charms. They do have the charm room, and I believe maybe today that they might open up their pop-up room, so we should definitely be aware of that. As well as if you sign up now, you can upgrade your box to the BoxyLuxe and be put on the waiting list, and you might get September's BoxyLuxe. And again, BoxyLuxe is $49.99 plus $8 to ship to Canada, so that comes to just under $70 to $80 Canadian, but it promised to be a retail of over $300 American, which is probably closer to $450 Canadian. And some of the items you can't actually even get in Canada. They're not available. They don't ship here. Sometimes, not all the time, so please note that. But yeah, it's definitely worth checking out the Boxy pop-up store. If you don't know what that is, I did upload a video. If you want to go check that out, you're more than welcome to. It is like sort of like the FabFitFun's add-on sales, but it's random, and they ship super quick. They promised us to be shipped by August. I believe I got my order the 1st of August, if not before August, so that's super awesome. But yes, if you are interested and you want to sign up, please use my link. Let Boxy know that you're watching my videos. Maybe we could all get something free out of Boxy. I'm not saying for sure, but sometimes they do have PR lists, and I would definitely love to get on BoxyLuxe's PR list, and then I would definitely be sharing the freebies with you guys. Let me know if you get this box, if you like this box, what you're so excited to see it in BoxyLuxe if you upgrade. And don't forget to check out my 2 other videos. I have 2 videos where I am actually oops, sorry guys. I am giving away these 2 items. So this one is in my FabFitFun starter unboxing, and this is for my summer edit box. So my post-summer box. Go check them out, like them, share them, comment on each video, and you could win 1 or more. This is open internationally. Please do not comment on this to win this, but you can comment, like, and share this video. That would be great. And I thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.